Good morning, students. We already started chapter 1, that is real numbers. We have completed exercise 1.1. In my previous video, I explained about real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are the combination of rational and irrational numbers. Now we are going to start exercise 1.2, which is a very important theorem is given in this one, that is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What it says, fundamental theorem of arithmetic says every composite number can be expressed as a product of its primes, which is unique irrespective of its order. Every composite number. First, do you know what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are what? Prime numbers which have numbers which have factors, two factors, okay, two factors, the itself, number itself and one, number itself and one, okay. Like 2 is your prime number because it is divisible by 2 and 1 only. Your 3 is a prime number, your 5 is a prime number, your 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13 and so on, okay. 1 is not a prime number, 1 is called unique number, 1 is called unique number, okay, number, okay. So prime number is what? Number which have two factors, okay, I have written here, which have two factors, number itself and 1, 2, 3, 5, and you know, except 2, all prime numbers are odd. Except 2, all prime numbers are odd. All prime numbers are odd. You can see this, okay. So 2 is the smallest even prime number. 2 is the smallest even prime number. The only even prime number is which one? 2. And the smallest even prime number, क्योंकि इससे छोटा कोई prime number नहीं है, okay. And what that your 3, 5, 7, rest all are odd prime numbers, okay. This is prime numbers. Already you have studied in junior classes what are prime numbers which are divisible by itself and 1, okay. And so what are composite number? The numbers. What are composite numbers? Composite numbers which have more than two factors or which are not prime. Numbers which are not prime, or you can say which have more than or having factors more than 2, okay. So you can say what that your 4 is a prime number, 4 is a composite number, 6 is a composite number, so many are there, which examples are there. 15 is a composite number, 9 is a composite number, because it are so many factors are there, okay. 9 can be divisible by 3, 9 can be divisible by 9, 9 can be divisible by 1, okay. 15 can be divisible by 15, by 5 also, by 3 also, okay. So they are having factor more than 2, okay. So that is your composite number. These are called your composite number. So actually I was going to explain what that your fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of its primes, which is unique irrespective of, means what? Every composite number, like 4 I can express as 2 cross 2. Every composite number can be expressed as the product of prime. 2 और 2 दोनों प्राइम है, तो 4 को कैसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं? 2 into 2, और I can write 2 square, okay. Similarly like 6 you can 2 cross 3 can be expressed as the product of its primes. 2 भी प्राइम है, 3 भी प्राइम है, तो ये इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन है. सपोज आई वॉन्ट एग्जाम्पल 56, तो 56 को प्राइम फैक्टराइज कैसे करेंगे? वी विल बी मेकिंग दिस वन 2. What that 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, then 2 2 1 ja 4, then 2 7, okay, and then 7 1. So what that 56 can be expressed as 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 7. तो 56 को हमने किस में ब्रेक कर दिया? ऑल प्राइम नंबर्स. एवरी कंपोजिट नंबर कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स प्राइम. ये सारे प्राइम नंबर्स हैं और इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 cube cross 7, okay, we can write it. So it can be expressed as its prime, and that फॉर एवरी कंपोजिट नंबर इट इज़ यूनिक. इसका कॉम्बिनेशन अलग होगा, 6 का कॉम्बिनेशन अलग होगा, 4 का कॉम्बिनेशन अलग होगा, तो दैट इज़ यूनिक. इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ इट्स ऑर्डर, मतलब आप चाहे इसको 7 इंटू 2 क्यूब लिखो और 2 क्यूब इंटू 7, इट्स द सेम ओनली. ओके, सो अंडरस्टूड द थ्योरम व्हाट इट सेज. फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अर्थमेटिक सेज कि एवरी कंपोजिट नंबर कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज इट्स prime. Okay, sorry. Now on the basis of this prime factorization we can calculate the LCM and HCF. That is very interesting way to express it. Actually one more thing I want to tell, like 56 I said prime factorization through that way, or you can say by factor tree also. You know factor tree, how we make it 2 if we will divide, because it is even number, तो even 2 से divide होगा तो 2 2 जा 4, 2 8 जा, then again with the 2, that is your 14, then again with 2 it will be 2 7. Okay, 7 you can, 7 is a prime number, तो यहाँ से आप लोगे 7 into 2 into 2 into 2, तो ये इसका क्या है आपका, this is your prime factorization. तो 56 can be expressed as what, 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 7. That is called factor tree. Factor tree, you know. Okay, nothing it is, as we are even number we are dividing by this one. Suppose I am saying that you want to 105, इसका factor tree कैसे बनाओगे, तो you can say that is 5, add up the digits, 6 आ रहा है यानी 3 से divide होगा, 2 से तो नहीं हो सकता, this is not a even number, तो we are going to divide by 3, तो 3 3 जा 9, 3 5 जा 15. Okay, now add up the digit, 3 से divide नहीं होगा, but 5 is there, you are going to divide by 5, 5 7 ja. 7 is a prime number, you can't divide it more, so what will be 7 into 5 into 3. So what it is, your 105's prime factorization, 3 into 5 into 7, got or not? So that is your, this is by factor tree method, how we express the number, composite number, as the product of its primes, and this product is unique. Okay, that says our theorem, that is our fundamental theorem of arithmetic, it says this one. Now I am going to explain how we can find two numbers of HCF and LCM using this theorem. So suppose I want to find out, this is 56 and 112, two numbers are there, find their HCF and LCM, find HCF and LCM. So what I am going to do, first I will be prime factorize 56, already I have shown, so directly I am writing what it is, your 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 7. So what it will be, your 2 cube into 7. Now for 112 I will be doing this one using this method, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja, again 56, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja, then 2 it is 14, that is it is your 2 7 ja, and 7 1 ja. So it is your 112 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 times into 7. I can write 2 raised to power 4 into 7. Now listen, what will be highest common factor? HCF is what, your highest common factor, the biggest number which will divide both the number exactly. The biggest number which will divide both the numbers exactly. How we are going to find using the powers? So what it will be, the common factors least power. कॉमन फैक्टर कौन कौन सा है, 2 है और 7, दोनों में कॉमन फैक्टर है, उनका लीस्ट पावर, तो 2 कॉमन फैक्टर है और 7 कॉमन फैक्टर है, और 2 का लीस्ट पावर क्या है, 3 और 4 में 3, और 7 का पावर 1 ही है तो 1. तो यू विल बी सेइंग 8 7 जा 56 is your highest common factor, and it will divide 56 also, yes, and 56 2 ja 112, तो दोनों को डिवाइड कर रहा है, तो this is your highest common factor. How, on the basis of powers कैसे लिया, common factor, least power of the common factors. What you will be saying, least power of the common factors, okay, this is called what, HCF. Now LCM is what, LCM is all factors maximum power, all factors, whatever factors are existing there, maximum power. तो कौन कौन से फैक्टर हैं यहाँ पे, 2 और 7, मैक्सिमम पावर इज 4 एंड 7 का मैक्सिमम पावर 1 ही है, तो आपका कितना जाएगा, 2 raised to power into what it is, your 16 112, correct or not? This is your. Now what interesting thing comes there, you will be saying, if I will take the product of HCF into LCM, it will come, HCF is 56, LCM is 112, product of numbers, this is equal to product of given two numbers, product of numbers, this is our one formula. Okay, so what that, HCF cross LCM, of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so we are going to say this one, this is a formula. So if it is given product of number and LCM, so I can calculate the HCF. HCF will be what? Your product of numbers, two numbers. Okay, you say let it be AB by LCM of AB. HCF you can get if it is given, product is given and LCM is given, HCF. Similarly, LCM you can calculate what it will be, your product of two numbers, two numbers AB, let it be, and what will be divisible? HCF. It will be divisible by HCF of AB. So we can use this formula also, and this is very interesting. Now simply one example I am giving you. Suppose one number X is given, P square, Q square, and you say R. Okay, and Y another number it is given, your PQ. Okay, now they are saying find out the HCF of this one. Just now I said based on the power. So what it will be, your common factors are P and Q. P common factors I will select P and Q, and least power क्या है 1 और 1, तो HCF क्या हो जाएगा PQ. अब LCM क्या है, all the factors में क्या आ रहा है, P आ रहा है, Q आ रहा है और R आ रहा है, बट हाईएस्ट पावर तो P का हाईएस्ट पावर 2 है, Q का हाईएस्ट पावर 2 है और R का पावर 1 है. ओके, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, योर HCF इंटू LCM इक्वल टू XY, यानी कि HCF इंटू LCM is equal to what, your X into Y. You can verify it. Yes. So I hope that you must have understood this, how we have calculate. Once more you see it properly. Okay, then you can complete your exercise 1.2. 1.3 I will be explaining in the next video. Thank you, students.